Frustration is boiling over at Manning School in Westmoreland as parents and past students complain about the slow pace at which rehabilitation work is taking place post-Hurricane Melissa. Kimberley Peddie has the details.
The Manning School is a picture of devastation months after the passage of Hurricane Melissa. As our news team walked the compound, we were greeted with several roofless classrooms and buildings that are still in shambles. Although reconstruction is in progress, the school community is deeply concerned.
The ball is moving just much too slowly. At this pace, school won't open for September, and that's not good.
Well, having just been in a conversation with the NET and the contractors, the call right now seems to be that we need additional laborers, and they say at times material has been scarce. So right now the call is to get more laborers to come so everybody can come together and do whatever they need to do, because we don't have a lot of time left.
Parents and members of the Past Student Association met with the contractor C&D Construction as well as the National Education Trust to discuss the status of the work being done.
With school coming up in September, it's very disheartening what is happening, and more disheartening to be finding out now all the different problems that the contractors are now mentioning that they're having.
After the hurricane, students were accommodated under tents on the lawns of the school, but a freak storm last month amplified the fragility of the makeshift structures, which were no match for the heavy winds. And so, parents and administrators alike are hoping that the institution will be ready come September. Board Chairman Moses Charber says the money to get the job done is not an issue. It's the workmanship that has presented the greatest challenge.
What we're asking for now is for the contractor to put more men on the job to ensure that school, all the repairs can be completed by the end of August so that we can have full reopening of school in September.
At the ETOC quarterly press conference on Thursday, the Education Ministry revealed $5 billion is being invested in the restoration of schools impacted by Hurricane Melissa. 214 schools are under active construction, while 205 institutions are listed as priority. Kimberley Peddie, TVJ News.